Good morning. I'm Wayne White. I'm in Rosina's kitchen, and I'm going to make a ham omelet this morning for you. So I've got all the ingredients here. I've got I don't know what this is for. 2 eggs here. I've got ham, and then I've got what is this stuff?
Spinach.
Yeah, spinach. It's kind of like spinach. We'll give it a nice brown crust, which is desirable. Break the eggs. Make sure there are no eggshells in there. Then, I always forget something, so I'm going to beat these up. Add a little bit of cream. There we go. With a little bit of practice, you can make omelets too. Uh-oh. I saw an eggshell in there. Can you believe it? Huh. Well, I have to figure out how to deal with that. I've got to get this egg in. Well, I don't see that eggshell. Well, Kevin, if you taste something crunchy, it's an eggshell. Won't kill you. I'm going to put the spinach on there. I guess you can use about any vegetable you want. Spinach is the most common. I'm going to come in with the ham. I've broken the ham up into small pieces. There we go. We put in the cheese. A small handful of cheese. Spread that around. That cheese will complement the ham. There we go. Oh, it's still, yeah. Oops. Ooh. I didn't get it far enough over, Kevin.
Oh no.
Try again.
That didn't work. That didn't work.
Not quite. Do it this way. There. Here's our ham and cheese omelet, and my man here is going to have the first one. So thanks for watching, and I hope you try it.